Hey everyone, big update from YouTube that will affect many creators. Starting July 15, 2025, YouTube is changing how it looks at your videos before allowing monetization. Let's break it down in simple words so you don't lose your earnings. YouTube wants to stop low quality, copy paste, or spammy videos from making money. This means if you use mass produced AI videos without adding your own voice or value, post slideshow videos with text to speech only, re upload other people's videos without changes, YouTube will not allow monetization. Is AI content banned? No, AI content is not banned. You can use AI for editing, scripting, or assistance, but your videos must add your unique voice, analysis, explanation, or creativity. For example, if you make a travel video, add your commentary or explain your tips. If you use AI voice, add visual storytelling and your personal touch. Who is affected most? Channels that post copy-paste clips from movies, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. Upload AI-generated videos without any human narration or explanation. Use the same style repeatedly with no real value. These channels may lose monetization after July 15. What should you do? Add your face or voice to your videos, share your opinions, or teach something in your content. If using AI, use it as a tool, not the entire content. Make videos useful and interesting for viewers. Don't worry if you're making real, valuable content. These updates are mainly to stop spammy channels from earning unfairly. So keep creating, stay original, and your channel will stay safe for monetization. If you found this update helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with your creator friends so they don't lose their earnings after July 15.